If you forgot any of your passwords on any of your Windows-based browsers, you came to the right place, regardless if you're using Chrome, if you're using Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Opera. I'm going to show you how to retrieve a password that you may have forgotten. So you may be like me and you got a new TV, you got a new device, and you're trying to link up YouTube, and then you go and you try to retrieve, and you forgot the password, you're trying to remember it, you can't remember it. You go to your computer, your laptop, or whatever, and then you're stuck with this. You're like, well, it's not showing me the password. It's got all these dots, and you're like, oh no, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the password. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to in order. We want to start with Chrome, work our way down to Firefox, then Edge, and then Opera. And then what I'll try to do is I'll try to put a timestamp in the comment section that shows you where you can jump, just so you can go directly to it. Let's say if you want to go to Edge, for example. So without further ado, let's go ahead with Google Chrome. So with Google Chrome, what you're going to do is on the very upper right, after you log in, click on the three dots. And then from the three dots, you're going to migrate down to Settings, all the way down here, click Settings. And then to the far left, you're going to click on Autofill. And then from Autofill, you're going to click on Passwords right here. And so now we're at the section we need to be. So right down here, it shows the site, the username, and the password. So for example, Amazon is one that I have an autofill on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little I that shows, that'll reveal the password. You click it, and it should show the password. Now, a lot of the newer laptops, computers, Windows computers like 11 and 10, they give you a PIN. So if you don't have that PIN, you're not able to get in. That's something that you should know anyway already. And then these little three dots to the very far right if you want to change the password or change it to something you can remember. Okay, now let's go to Firefox. With Firefox, it's a little bit like Chrome. You're going to click these three lines on the very upper right here after you log into Firefox. And then what you want to do is you want to look below, and it'll say Settings right here. Click on Settings. And then right here, you're going to click on Privacy and Security here on the left. Privacy and Security. And then right here, it's going to, right in the middle, it's going to say Saved Logins. Now to get to this, you're going to have to scroll down from here. So when you hit Privacy and Security, it'll take you to a page, and you have to scroll down to like the middle where it says Login and Passwords. So then that's where you would click Saved Logins. And what's going to do, it's going to show all your accounts here on the left side. So for example, I got Mojang is one of the accounts that I got a saved password on for an autofill. And then once I click on it, it's going to show right here in the center, it's going to show the website and then the password right here. What you're going to do is click on the eye again, the little seeing eye, click it, and then it should show your password for Mojang. Okay. After we did Firefox, now we're going to go ahead and do Microsoft Edge. So with Microsoft Edge, what you're going to do, log in, click on the little dots here on the upper right, right there. And then after that, what you're going to do is right here in the center, you're going to see where it says Passwords. Click on Passwords or hit this little arrow here. And then right down here, you'll see all the websites. So this will show the websites, whether it be, if you got like a Gmail or whatever, it'll show the username, and then it'll show the password right here. And so what you're going to do is click on that little seeing eye again, right here to the right. You click on it, and it's going to retrieve and tell you what the password is. And what's good about this, it'll show the health and how strong your password is over here. And then from there, what you want to do is you want to click on the three dots for more options. Okay, so that's Microsoft Edge. Now, finally, let's go to Opera. With Opera, it's like a little toolbar that's got settings that you're going to need to go to. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to look for a little gear shift. So the toolbar is over here on my left. It might be on your right or on the bottom, but it's usually on the left. Click on the little settings icon, the gear shift right here. It's to the left of my picture, right here. Click on that. Okay, and then from here, it's going to take what you're going to do. It's going to take you to Advanced. So what you're going to do is click on Advanced, and then what you're going to do once you get to Advanced, you're going to scroll down on this page. So start scrolling down. It's going to take you all the way down here. What you're going to do is click on Passwords. And then I don't have any autofills on Opera. I don't use Opera that much. So right here, it's going to show you saved passwords. And it's going to be the same thing. You're going to look for the website that you're trying to get the password for. And then you're going to see the little seeing eye, the eye sign that I showed you at the beginning. You're going to click on the eye sign, and it should retrieve and show you what your password is. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you on the next one, and make sure you subscribe. All right. Have a blessed day.